Flying Ipis. Give Ipis a chance. This is their first album released in year 2013. Well, let's start. Yes, this is the box set case. Yeah, the front cover and Ipis. Yeah. Other one. Nope. Ito. Okay, yeah, the title. Again. Oh, it's nothing. Okay. At the back. Alright. Yeah, give Ipis a chance. Yeah. 8 songs in total. Yep. Let's open. Let's see what's inside. Oh god. Okay. Easy. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Let's check the CD. Oops. Yep. This is a factory press. So the OMB knows it. Yep. The back. And this one. Yeah. This one. Yep. Okay. Alright. Oops. Put it back. Yeah, there you go. Alright, the other one. Yep. Cockroaches. Yum. Nom. And this. Oh, I think it's... Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. Wait a second. Yep, the booklet, yes. Nice, Flying Ipis. Let's check the lyrics. Wait. Make it clear. Okay, good. Nice. Okay. Too much light. Alright. Good. Alright, the other side. Yep, but check it. Yeah. Band members. Yep. Wait a minute. What's this? Oh no, make it clear, please. Okay, nice. Alright, let's check this one. Oh, too much light. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, let's check the social media. Okay, follow nyo sila sa Facebook page. Click like. Listen to Spotify. Yep. Follow them on Twitter. Instagram. Yep. And subscribe to their YouTube channel. Well, that's it for tonight. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe everyone.